Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening kay ma'am, sir. And ang napili ko po is chapter 1, which is Introduction to Python and Computer Programming. So ang lesson 1 po dito is Understanding Compiler and Interpreter. Computer programming is the act of composing the selected programming language elements in the order that will cause the desired effect. The effect could be different in every specific case. It's up to the programmer's imagination, knowledge, and experience. So, base po dito, ang computer programming is act ng isang program ng language elements kung ano yung gustong kalabasan ng isang programmer. So, yun po yung kung anong gusto niya base sa imagination, knowledge, and experience ng kung sinong programmer. So, there are two different ways of transforming a program from a high-level programming language into machine language. Yung isa is compilation. Compilation, the source program is translated once. Isang beses lang po yung matatranslate base sa programmer. Yung act po na yon is pwede maulit every time na i-modify ng programmer yung source code niya. Yung source code po na yun ay file na nagko-contain ng machine code na pwedeng distribute worldwide. The program that performs this translation is called a compiler or translator. Yung pangalawa naman po is interpretation. You can translate the source program each time it has to be run. Pwede nyo pong i-translate yung source code sa program every time lang na kailangan nitong mapagana. The program performing this kind of transformation is called an interpreter, as it interprets the code every time it is intended to be executed. It also means that you cannot just distribute the source code as is, because the end user also need the interpreter to execute it. So, base po dito, isa lang yung programmer na pwede mag-run ng program. Magkaiba po siya sa compilation na kahit sino at pwede mong i-distribute worldwide. So, ang advantage and disadvantage ng dalawang yon is, sa compilation, ang advantage niya is the execution of the translated code is usually faster. Sa interpretation naman, you can run the code as soon as you complete it. There are no additional phases of translation. So, sa lesson 2 naman po is Introduction to Python Programming. Python is widely used, interpreted, object-oriented, and high-level programming language with dynamic semantics, used for general-purpose programming. So, ang Python po is a term para sa isang programming language na laging ginagamit ng mga programmer. So, what makes Python special? There are many reasons. We've listed some of them already, but let's enumerate them again in a more practical manner. Yung isa po is easy to learn. The time needed to learn Python is shorter than for many other language. Madali lang po siyang maintindihan. This means that it's possible to start the actual programming faster. Pangalawa, it's easy to teach. The teaching workload is smaller than that needed by other language. This means that the teacher can put more emphasis on general. Parang madali lang po siya ituro sa iba. And programming techniques, not wasting energy on exotic tricks, strange exceptions, and incomprehensible rules. Mas madali lang pong ituro yung Python kumpara sa ibang language kasi wala po siya masyadong rules. Pangatlo po, it's easy to use for writing new software. Ito po yung ginagamit nila para paggawa ng bagong software kasi mas mabilis po magsulat ng code gamit yung Python. Pang-apat is it's easy to understand. It's also often easier to understand someone else's code faster if it is written in Python. Mas madali pong maintindihan yung code na nakasulat sa Python base sa ibang language. Panglima is it's easy to obtain, install, and deploy. Python is free, open and multi-platform. Not all language can boast that. So yung iba po kasi may bayad and Python lang yung pinaka-free and pinakamadali. Lesson 3, Python installation. How to get Python and how to get to use it. There are several ways to get your own copy of Python 3 depending on the operating system you use. Linux user must probably have Python already installed. Sa mga naka-Linux dyan, meron na po talaga kayong Python na kasama. It is most likely scenario as Python's infrastructure is intensively used by many Linux OS components. Sa mga Windows naman po, if you are Windows user, start the download.exe file and follow all the steps. Leave the default settings and install suggest for now. Sa mga Mac OS naman po, yung version 2 ay naka-pre-install na po sa system nyo. But since we will be working with Python 3, you will still need to download and install the relevant PKG file from the Python site. Starting your work with Python. Now you have Python 3 installed. It's time to check if it works and make the very first use of it. To start your work, you need the following tools. An editor which will support you in writing the code. Pwede mo yung notes lang, ganun. A console in which you can launch your newly written code and stop it forcibly when it gets out of control. Yun po yung system nyo kung saan nyo pwedeng i-run yung Python. And a tool named a debugger. Yung debugger po yung para maghahanap ng error. Lesson 4. Your first program in Python. How to write and run your very first program. The first step is to create a new source file and fill it with code. Parang doon po sa file, gagawa ka po ng new source na pupunan mo ng code. This is the editor window. Its only purpose is to be a workplace in which your source code is treated. Do not confuse the editor window with the shell window. They perform different function. Yung editor window nyo po is purpose yun para makita nyo yung source code nyo lagi. And wag nyo isasama yung shell window kasi magkaiba po yun. Yun na po. Thank you.